Good evening, madam. Share screen, please. Thank you, madam. Good evening, all of you. Uh, Today topic is now the topic is hand tap. से hand tap है चूड़ी बनाने के लिए hand tap यूज कर रहे हैं. Hand taps are used for internal threading of components. Internal threading of components. Features. What is the features? It is made from high carbon steel or high speed steel. Hand taps are hand taps. Hand tap is a threading tool. What is the hand tapper? Hand tapper is a threading tool. It is made from high carbon steel or high speed steel. उसके बाद hardened and ground. The harden करने के बाद ground finishing कर ले. Threads are cut on its face, surface, and are accurately finished. Threads are cut on the surface and accurately finished. To form the cutting edges, the flutes are cut across the grain. You know, this is actually this is called a thread. इसे thread का दोनों के बीच में एक फ्लूट है. तो ना इसे after threading, while threading, the chips will falling down होना चाहिए ना. To form the cutting edges, the flutes are cut across the thread. Across the thread इधर है तो this is thread is a flute across. It's across. For holding and turning the tabs while cutting threads, the end of the shanks are squared. The end of the shanks are squared. So, while fitting the tap rings. The size of the tabs and the type of thread also usually marked on the shank. Size and the type of thread marked as इधर shank में इसे stamp है क्या what size 6 mm or quarter inch 10 mm or 3/8 इसे size and what type of M10 metric thread or BSF or BSW or UNF or UNC different types of thread. Sir, stamp is M10. M10 means metric 10. BSW, British Standard Width, quarter inch, 3/8, the mark is there. In certain cases, the pitch of the thread will also be marked. In some hand taps also has the pitch of the thread will also mark. Marking are also made to indicate type of that is first, second, and the tap. You know, there are three taps is one set. That is a first tap, second tap, third tap. First tap 25% there is no thread. Why? इसे actually whole में फिर थोड़ा बैठना चाहिए तो उसको पूरी बना चाहिए. And second tap 10 to 15% there is no thread. But in third tap from starting to full thread is there. And this is called first, second, third or another first, second and plug. Hand tap is a threading tool. It is made from high carbon or high speed steel. The thread and the fluids are there. Some different types of taps and different types of thread, type of thread available in the stamped in the particular tap set. Okay. Next, the hand taps. Type of taps in a set. Hand taps for a particular thread are available as a consisting of three pieces. मैं पहले बताया ना, three pieces is a one set. Hello, hello. क्या? Hello. हाँ? Hello. Types of taps in a set. Hand taps of for particular thread are available as a set consisting of three pieces. These are first tap or tapper tap, second tap or intermediate tap, plug or bottom tap. It's a different name. First tap का दूसरा name है tapper tap. Okay, first tap is to start the thread. The 25 to 30% there is no thread. क्यों है? इसे 25 to 30 होल में बराबर बैठना चाहिए. उसका बाद तो छुरी बना सकते. चलिए. And the second tap is to cut deep the thread. Bottom tap is to finish the thread. First tap to start the thread. Second tap to cut the deep. Third tap to finish the thread. For identifying type of taps, quickly taps are either number as 1, 2, 3 or single ring, double ring, triple ring. टैप घूमने के लिए क्या चाहिए? टैप रिंच चाहिए. Also for holding and rotating the tap. Tap rings. Tap wrenches are used to align and drive the hand tap correctly into the hole to be threaded. To be threaded means to be चूड़ी बना के लिए tap wrench क्या करना? अच्छा align में बैठना चाहिए and drive the tap correctly evenly. Tap wrenches are different types. Hello.
भैया
हाँ? Hello. What doubt भैया? The double-ended adjustable wrench, three-handle tap rings, solid type tap rings. There are three types. It's a double-ended adjustable tap wrench or bar type tap wrench. It's a double-ended adjustable or another name bar type. Okay, two names are there. Okay. It is the most commonly used type of tap wrench. Most generally all are using this type of tap wrench. It is available in various sizes. It is, for example, 6 to 8 millimeter. It's a small taps use कर सकते हैं. 10 from 10 to 12 millimeter थोड़ा बड़ा size होना चाहिए. From 12 to 15 meter और थोड़ा बड़ा size. It is available in various sizes. These tap wrenches are most suitable for large diameter taps. Large diameter of taps. Now, more suitable फॉर एग्जाम्पल 25 mm में चूड़ी बना चाहिए, बड़ा साइज से टैप यूज करते हैं। क्यों ना, घूमने के लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल है ना, इसे इजीली घूम सकते। कैन बी यूज इन ओपन प्लेस, इसे ओपन प्लेस में यूज कर सकते हैं। टू सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट साइज ऑफ रेंज according to tab size, we select the correct size of tab range. It is called a T-handle tab range. A small adjustable chuck with 2 jaws. ऐसे drill chuck में 3 jaws है, but it has a 2 jaws. Handles to turn the range. There is a handle है ना, this is to turn the range. It is useful to work in restricted place. It is turned with one handle. It is useful for small diameter tabs below 6 millimeter. Below other 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter वो वाला चूड़ी बनाने के लिए दिस टाइप ऑफ हैंड टैप यूज कर सकते हैं। इसके लिए 2 जा, वाई इट हैज 2 जा, एक्चुअली ड्रिल चेक की 3 जा, ड्रिल बिट इज से पैरेलल शैंक राउंड रॉड, बट टैप क्या इसका ऊपर है, इधर है इसके स्क्वायर एडजेस है ना, इसका स्क्वायर एडजेस के 2, ओनली 2 जा ओके पकड़ कर सकते। And it is useful, for example, इसे फ्लैट में चूड़ी बना के लिए दिस टाइप ऑफ रेंज यूज कर सकते हैं। बट फॉर एग्जांपल इसे डीप इधर है चूड़ी, अब इन दिस एरिया वी कैनॉट दिस टाइप ऑफ, वी कैन यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ टैप रेंज, अंडरस्टैंड, फॉर ये वाला अंदर जा सकते। दिस इज next, solid type tap range. It is not adjustable. It is used only certain size of tap. 6 mm tap का 6 mm है solid tap range. 10 mm means 10 mm solid tap. Only one particular tap के लिए। ये 3 प्रकार है, double ended है, T-handle है, solid. Now vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is a precision measuring instrument. Precision means more accuracy and measuring instrument. Accuracy measuring instrument. इसके handling also take some instructions for maintain the vernier caliper, for using the vernier. This precision means we cannot roughly use नहीं कर सकते, we cannot roughly कर, we want to more take care of vernier caliper. It is used to measure up to accuracy of 0.02 millimeter. Vernier caliper is a precision instrument, measuring instrument, माप करने के लिए। And it is accuracy, कितना accuracy मिल सकते हैं, इधर 0.02 millimeter. The parts of vernier caliper. These are called jaws for measuring outer dimension. The OD, outer diameter or thickness of the plate or thickness of the job. This is also called a jaws for measuring inner dimension. ID, inner dia, or slot width. This is called the vernier scale. This is a main scale. Then screw clamp. Stem for measuring depth. This is one. पीछे एक stem is there. ये वाला क्या, इसका जॉब का डेप्थ ढूंढने के लिए कितना डेप्थ बोरिंग है और बोरिंग ड्रिल होल और एनी स्लॉट का डेप्थ ढूंढने के लिए ये डेप्थ बार यूज करते हैं। नेक्स्ट एक एक पार्ट का विशेष पार्ट्स ऑफ वर्नियर कैलिपर फिक्स्ड जा are part of the beam scale. This is called a beam scale. के beam scale का साथ है इसे fixed jaw है. This is called a movable jaw. We can move that at any distance to record distance. Okay. Fixed jaws are a part of the beam scale. One jaw is used for taking external measurement, other is external dimension, other is the internal measurement. Next, a movable jaw. This is called a movable jaw. The movable jaws are a part of vernier scale. This is a vernier scale. One jaw is a external measurement, another jaw is a internal measurement. This is a external measurement. This is for internal measurement. Vernier slides. Vernier slides moves over the beam and can be set in any position by means of spring-loaded thumb lever. Actually, the नीचे एक लीवर इज देयर, स्मॉल लीवर, स्प्रिंग लीवर, इसके साथ इसे खींच के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. तो नीचे वाला जिसे स्मॉल लीवर इज देयर, वी कैन डू दैट. दिस इज वर्नियर स्केल है, ये वाला मेन स्केल है, इसके वर्नियर स्केल पे क्या जगह चाहिए, किधर कितने डायमेंशन चाहिए उधर का खींच कर सकते हैं. Vernier scale is a graduation mark. A vernier slide moves over the beam and can be set in any position by means of spring-loaded thumb lever. Beam. Vernier slide and a depth bar attached to its slide over the beam. This is called a beam. The graduation on the beams are called main scale. Either dimensions are there, graduations or the dimensions both. There actually millimeter, only millimeter है, but सब कुछ वर्नियर कैलिपर है, नीचे millimeter and above only millimeter vernier caliper or British standard vernier caliper available. There are two types are there. The graduation on the beams are called the main scale divisions. Next, depth bar. The depth bar is attached to the vernier slide and is used for depth measurement. This is called the depth bar. Thumb lever. The thumb lever is a spring-loaded lever which helps to set the vernier slide in any position on the beam. This is a thumb lever to set any position. Okay. Next, vernier scale. Vernier scale is a graduation marked on the vernier slide. The divisions of the scales are called vernier divisions. इधर है एक्चुअली, इधर वर्नियर स्केल है, इधर है, यहाँ पर देखना वर्नियर स्केल आर देयर, वर्नियर डिविजन. We can measure we can find out the 10.02 or 10.04 or 10.1 for measuring के लिए ये वर्नियर स्केल यूज करते हैं. Main scale graduations or divisions are marked on the beam. Sizes, vernier calipers are available 150 millimeter, 225 millimeter, 900 and 1200 millimeter. 150 millimeter means 6 inches. Okay, 250 millimeter means 10 inches. 225 means 9 inches. Okay, vernier scale. This is a vernier caliper is a precision instrument. It is used for measuring outer dia or inner dia or thickness of the plate or in width of the slot. The accuracy 0.02 millimeter. Next, work holding devices. Workpieces to be drilled should be properly held or clamped to prevent them from rotating along with the drill. This is a work holding devices not only for drilling, say for a machining, for shaping or planing or grinding, different purposes. The work holding devices used per sector, but we are discussing only drill. Workpieces to be drilled should be properly पकड़ना चाहिए, clamped, held or clamped to prevent them. नहीं तो प्रॉपरली क्लैंप नहीं तो क्या करना, इसका ड्रिल का साथ वो घुमा रहे. The improperly secured, the work is not only danger to operator. There is a problem. Say operator also risky. It can also cause incorrect, accurate work and breakage the drill also. Various devices are used to ensure proper holding device. There are different work holding devices. It is machine wise. This is one of the work holding devices. Either a slot or the drilling machine के टेबल में T slot is there. T slot के साथ bolt with net, bolt and nut के साथ में टाइट कर सकते. इसे क्या पक्का held in ड्रिलिंग मशीन टेबल. उसके बाद इधर जॉब फिक्सिंग, जॉब रखने के बाद इसे टाइट कर सकते. और पीछे इसका थोड़ा गैप छोड़ना पड़ेगा फॉर क्लियरेंस ड्रिलिंग भी. Next, clamps and bolts. This is called clamps and bolts. This is one type of work holding device. Okay. Drilling machines tables are provided with a T slot or fitting the bolt head. Using clamps and bolt, the workpiece can be held very rigidly. एक one side clamp and one side the बीच में जॉब रखने पर इधर का एक सपोर्ट पीस देना चाहिए. वन साइड ओनली पक्का टाइट करना. क्यों ना इजीली काम करने के लिए जैसे इधर खोल के ये वाला क्लैंप ऐसा रोटेट करके जॉब दोबारा रखना, ऐसा दोबारा ऐसा करके टाइट करना. इसलिए क्विकली काम करने के लिए this type of clamps and bolts are using. While using this method, packing should be as far as possible of the same height of the work and near the workpiece. There are many types of clamps and it is necessary to determine the clamp method according to different work. According to work, we can decide we can arrange or we can determine the clamp and the bolt. Work holding. Next, angle plate. Okay, angle plates have two plane surfaces, machined perfectly flat and right angle. Okay. Generally, these are made of cast iron or steel. Angle plate is a supporting tool. Just a supporting tool. These angle plates are two plane surfaces, machined perfectly flat and right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Generally, these are made of cast iron or steel. The edges and ends are also machined square. They have ribs on the unmachined part has a good rigidity and to prevent distortion. This is called angle plate. देखो इधर it's a L, like a L type. This area pakka finished, this which also finished, and pakka 90 degree, and this is a end, this is a edge. The top part called the edge. This is called the end part. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree machined. पीछे एक support, that is called the rib, to support the this. क्यों ना while molding, इसे क्यों ना सारा मोल्डिंग कर देना, मोल्डिंग करने के टाइम में देर इज ए डिफेक्ट आएगा, और डिफेक्ट से अरेस्ट करने के लिए ये रिप देना चाहिए. रिप नहीं देता तो ऑटोमेटिक सम डिफेक्ट इज कमिंग देयर. Plain solid angle plate, it is called a plain solid angle plate. This is common angle plate. It has two plane surfaces perfectly machined at a 90 degree to each other. 90 degree to each other. This is 90 degree to each other. Such as the angle plates are suitable for supporting workpiece during layout. So this is horizontal line. क्या निशान करने के लिए just to support the piece. They are small, comparatively smaller in size. Say 4 inches height, maximum 4 inches, 5 inches height में available. The plain solid angle plate. Next is slotted type angle plate. This is called slotted type angle plate. क्यों ना पहले वाला इसमें there is no hole, but इसमें the hole is there. The slotted angle plate. What is the use of a slotted angle? Next we will discuss. The two plane surface of this type of angle plate has a slotted milled. The two planes, it is comparatively bigger in size than the plain solid angle plate. It is bigger than this one. Bigger than this one. Slots are machined on the top plane surface for accommodating clamping bones. This type of angle plate can be tilted 90 degree along with the wart for making or machining. Sorry, for marking or machining. Can this one is just we place a job here and marking there. But in this, क्या बोल्ट विथ क्लैंप, बोल्ट क्लैंप विथ का क्या जॉब पकड़ कर सकते साइड पर पकड़ने का. इधर क्या पहले ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टल डिग्री हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन मार्किंग करने के बाद ये स्लॉटेड टाइप एंगल पे ऐसा रोटेट कर सकते. बट द जॉब आल्सो ऑटोमेटिकली रोटेट it's a vertical line. But this is line horizontal. But though x-axis and y-axis we can mark using this type of angle plate. First, in this we rotate only job. We rotate only job. But here we rotate job along with the surface plate. Okay. Swivel type angle plate. This is only two right angle line marking, vertical line or horizontal line. But in this, we can mark at any degree. It's a swivel type angle plate. पर बड़ा बड़ा है तो 90 डिग्री, थोड़ा ऐसा कितने डिग्री होना चाहिए, कितने डिग्री का इधर नट लूज करके सेटिंग कर सकते. This is adjustable, so the surface can be kept at any angle. Which angle you require, that angle you can set this angle plate. Two machined surfaces are on two separate pieces which are assembled. ये अलग के पीस है, वो अलग पीस है, दोनों क्या बोल्ट एंड नट के साथ का असेंबल कर दिया. Graduations are marked on one to indicate the angle of tilt with respect of to others. Some angle plate has either graduations, the degree is there, like a degree protector में or surface table, circular machine और dicta machine में table में say degrees marked is there. We can tilting कर सके कितने डिग्री होने के लिए. और नहीं तो वे क्या करना, बेवल प्रोटेक्टर यूज करना चाहिए टू सेटिंग द एंगल. बेवल प्रोटेक्टर बबल प्रोटेक्टर से कॉम्बिनेशन सेट स्क्वायर है ना, उसी में बबल प्रोटेक्टर से वो वाला से उसी में सेटिंग करना चाहिए. सम हैज ऑलरेडी इधर अवेलेबल. Graduations are marked on one to indicate the angle of the tilt with respect of to others. When the both zeros coincide, the two plane surfaces are 90 degree each other. दोनों जीरो मीटिंग है तो उसका ना क्या मतलब है 90 डिग्री. A bolt and a net are provided for locking in position. After sitting in 60 degree, we bolt and net के साथ तो टाइट करना चाहिए. इसे स्विल टाइप एंगल प्लेट. देखना डिफरेंस है. प्लेन सॉलिड एंगल प्लेट है, इसके लिए थोड़ा ये एडवांस्ड है. उसके बाद कंपेयर टू दिस वन, दिस इज एडवांस बट मार्किंग एनी डिग्री और फिटिंग एनी डिग्री. नेक्स्ट बॉक्स एंगल. दे हैव application similar to those of other angle plates. But after setting the work can be turned over with the box, enable further marking out or machining. और मार्किंग करने के लिए और मशीनिंग करने के लिए. This is significant advantage. This has all faces machined square to each other. This is called box angle plate. क्या उपयोग ना, while in this angle plate we can mark x axis and y axis, but in this we can fit the job, we can mark x axis, y axis and z axis. 3 axis में मार्किंग कर सकते. तो सोचना इधर क्या, पहले इधर मार्किंग कर दिया, उसके बाद ऐसा मार्किंग कर दिया, उसके बाद ऐसा से मार्किंग. 3 एंगल 1 2 3, 3 एंगल में 3 एक्सिस में मार्किंग करने के लिए और मशीनिंग करने के लिए और ड्रिलिंग करने के लिए. It is called box angle plate. There is a slot is there. It's a T slot is. There is a 3 slot is a slot open slot is there. So for fitting the job along with the clamp and bolt nut. Next, grades. There are these angle plates are available in 2 grades. Grade 1, grade 2. Grade 1 angle plates are more accurate and are used for very accurate tool room purpose. Tool room means what is a precision finished job. High accuracy finished job checking के लिए high grade angle plate होना चाहिए. For rough machining, साधारण मशीनिंग करने के लिए grade 2 angle plate काफी है. Angle plates are used for general machining shop work. In addition to the above, 2 grades of angle plate, precision angle plate also available for inspection work. Grade 1 is for inspection work. Sizes. Angle plates are available in different sizes. These the sizes are indicated by number. Tabular column को just screenshot लेना. This is size 1, length, breadth, height. These are different sizes, grades available. Grades and the numbers also. Next, marking of. Marking of or layout is carried out to indicate the location for operation to be done, to provide guidance during rough machining or filing. So, actually, for example, you are any job, one side pakka finishing kar diya, and that's edge also finished and checked with the tri-square, okay. But we want to thickness actually say 11 millimeter here, but 10 millimeter thickness here. We are marking then. The marking is called the marking of. Or for example, इधर है center बीच इधर 3 holes बना चाहिए. क्या है? tri-square क्या इधर लेकिन पॉइंट में सेंटर लाइन बनाया, लाइन निशान कर दिया. उसके बाद tri-square का साथ 1, 2, 3 कर दिया. This is called the layout. क्यों ना? इधर 1, 2, 3 जगह में ड्रिल करना चाहिए, ड्रिलिंग और टैपिंग और एनी वर्क. That is called the marking of. Okay, layout. Next, witness mark. The line marked on the metal surface is likely to be erased due to handling. To avoid this permanent mark are made by placing punch marks at convenient intervals along the marked line. Punch marks act as witness against inaccuracy in machining, and hence they are known as witness marks. That चित्र देखने समझ जाते हैं ना, क्या ना, इसमें एक लोहा में बीच में एक ड्रिल करना पड़े, ओनली वन ड्रिल. अब क्या एक लाइन करके इधर बीच में सेंटर पंच और फ्लिक पंच में पंचिंग करना. पंच करके समझ जाते इधर ड्रिल करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस टाइप ऑफ मार्किंग, 4 पंच मार्क इधर है ना, इसे 4 पंच मार्क क्या मतलब है, इसे इनर डाया और मेकिंग इतना बड़ा सही से इनर डाया ड्रिलिंग और फाइलिंग और मशीनिंग करना चाहिए. इसलिए इधर है पंचिंग मार्क. दैट इज कॉल्ड विटनेस मार्क. आफ्टर लेआउट वर्किंग we use the prick punch for the this line. For example, actually इधर है only 5 mark is there. Sometimes इसके बीच में और 3 mark, तो इसके दोनों के बीच में एक 3 mark लगाना चाहिए. तो ना क्या वो नीला कलर लगाना ना फॉर मार्किंग के लिए, और व्हाइट कलर लगाते क्या आप हैंडलिंग टाइम में वो चले गया. तो बट ये वाला पंचिंग करने के बाद तो वो नहीं चलेगा, इसे दे सकते. आफ्टर मार्किंग मीडिया चलने के बाद तो इसे दे सकते फॉर ड्रिलिंग करने के लिए और फॉर बॉलिंग के लिए. दैट इज ए विटनेस मार्क. The line marked on metal surface is likely to be erased due to handling. To avoid this, permanent marks are made by placing punch, prick punch marks at a convenient interval. Convenient actually either only one will do only, but either ये डाया साइज के लिए only 5 mark होते. That is a convenient interval along the marked line. Punch marks act a witness against inaccuracy in marking, hence they are known as witness marks. Marking table. Next, marking table. Marking table is used as a reference for surface for marking for page. Marking tables are a rigid construction with accurately finished top surfaces. The edges are also finished at the right angle surface. This is a marking table. Marking table is a marking tool और a testing tool. टेस्टिंग करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, मार्किंग करने यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड इट इज मेड बाय कैस्ट आयरन, मैक्सिमम कैस्ट आयरन. बट हाई एक्यूरेसी मार्किंग टेबल होना चाहिए. ग्रेनाइट stone में stones marking table available. That is used for only tool room. Tool room means मतलब क्या? High accuracy jobs or tools checking के लिए that is called tool room. This is also high accuracy, but इसके लिए थोड़ा upper grade, granite, stone. तो मार्केट है. इसे क्या है? इसे टॉप सरफेस चार तरफ रिप्स आर देयर. इसके बीच में along across the along the ribs are cross diagonal ribs are there for supporting the marking tape. The parallel blocks, important to told. Parallel blocks of different types are used for setting workpiece for machining. The commonly used ones are two types: solid parallel and adjustable parallel blocks. This is called a parallel block. Parallel blocks, parallels are made in two grades. Grade A meant for fine tool room. Grade B for general purpose. Grade A means high accuracy. Grade B means accuracy. High accuracy नहीं, accuracy वो high accuracy. Say general machine shop वो high accuracy. This type of parallel blocks very much used in machine shop work. Very much used in machine shop work. They are made steel pieces of rectangular cross section. Okay. They are available in different length and a cross sectional size. Different length means this is length. Cross section means mota. Different thickness available from 1 millimeter to available 1 millimeter to 10 millimeter तक different thickness that is called cross sectional size. They are hard and ground finish. Grinding कर रहे हो, ground finish. Sometimes finished by lapping. Lapping means finished using leather or any क्या कपड़ा से cloth से finishing कर leather और कपड़े से finish. That is called a lapping. Parallels are machined to close limit and they are perfectly flat, square and parallel throughout the length. They are made in pair of identical dimension. Actually, solid parallel 3 mm parallel block. There is two pieces 3 mm. Fitting another only पक्का width and पक्का length. इधर रखने का पक्का thickness. That is a tool. फिर आगे पूरा सेट में मिल जाएगा. 3 mm parallel block means two pieces. 10 mm parallel block is two pieces available. To setting the job or to machining the job or to drilling the job. It's a parallel block से we can इसे two parallel block से ऐसा रखने का ऐसा करके प्रेस करने के बाद ऐसा घुमाओ ऐसा ऊपर का पकड़ना है वन पीस है नीचे पीस नहीं गिर जाएगा उतना फिनिशिंग है इसे रोटेट करने के बाद देयर इज नो एयर पूरा वैक्यूम क्लियर पक्का चिप जाएगा उतना फिनिशिंग parallel blocks available in tool room for tool room. Okay. This is adjustable parallel. This consists of two tapered blocks sliding one over the other in tongue and groove assembly. Say tongue and groove. tongue and groove आप लोग को जानते हैं ना एक में ग्रूव है एक इसे tongue and groove में होगा. These types of parallel can be adjusted and set to different height. But either only 3 millimeter or 10 millimeter available. But it can be parallel from the ये वाला ना इधर आने के बाद 25 millimeter है तो ये वाला adjust करके थोड़ा दूर आगे के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली 35 millimeter 50 millimeter हाइट मिल जाएगा. देखना यहाँ से यहाँ तक 35 millimeter है, तो सेम इधर also 35 millimeter. We can, that is a benefit. This type of parallel can be adjusted and set into different heights. So release the screw and adjust the height and tighten the screw. Okay. Parallel block uses solid and adjustable parallel are used for parallel setting of workpiece while machining. They are also useful for raising the workpieces held in vices or machine tables to provide better observation or machining process. For example, the parallel blocks, we are machine, this is a machine wise है ना, ये देखना ये वाला इधर है मशीन एरिया, इधर एक पैरेलल ब्लॉक रखना चाहिए, वहाँ पे एक पैरेलल ब्लॉक रख दे, उसका बाद फिनिश्ड जॉब इसे पैरेलल ऊपर का रखने के बाद वाइट साथ से साथ करके इसे करेक्ट 180 डिग्री मिल जाएगा. तो पैरेलल ब्लॉक नहीं तो अरे एनी वुडन पीस ना जैसे हल्का इसे टैपर इज देयर, बट वी आर यूजिंग पैरेलल ब्लॉक है, पक्का 180 डिग्री जॉब सरफेस मिल जाएगा, उसके बाद ड्रिलिंग करके एक्यूरेट ड्रिलिंग हो जाएगी. इसी से साइज ऑफ सॉलिड पैरेलल ब्लॉक A and B, 5 into 10 into 100. 100 means length, 10 means width, 5 means thickness. This is a photo clip में screenshot करना. This is a range and the size of adjustable parallels. 10 to 13, 40 millimeter length. क्यों ना 10 to 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter standard, 13 millimeter तक एडजस्ट करने के लिए क्या कितना लेंथ चाहिए और 40 millimeter एडजस्टेबल पैरेलल्स अवेलेबल. और नेक्स्ट टैप रिच 5 minutes to 4 minutes. Okay. Say die stock. Okay. It is used for internal trading. It is used for internal trading. It is used for external trading. Internal trading के लिए टैप यूज करना पड़ेगा, एक्सटर्नल trading के लिए डाई एंड डाई सॉकेट यूज करना चाहिए. इसे डिफरेंट टाइप्स आर देयर, सर्कुलर स्लिट डाई, हाफ डाई, एडजस्टेबल स्क्रू डाई एंड डाई नट. Circular split die, button die. This it has a slot to cut permit slight variation in size. When held in the die socket, variation size can be made by using adjustment screws. This is a split circular die. This is one type of die. This is a socket. It's a handle. Same. The socket के अंदर ये वाला रखना पड़ेगा, इसे फॉर लोकेटिंग द डाई इन द सॉकेट. 3 स्क्रूज आर देयर. क्यों ना पहले ऐसा ओपन है, ये दो स्क्रू टाइट करने पर ये ओपन थोड़ा क्लोज आ जाएगा. पहले ओपन में करना चाहिए, पर दैट इज स्टार्टिंग द फर्स्ट डाई. जस्ट मार्क बना चाहिए, उसके बाद एडजस्ट करके थोड़ा डीप जाएगा, उसके बाद पक्का एडजस्ट करके उसके बाद finishing that red, that is a split die. Half die, it is half die. It is used for heavy size of for example 25 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 20 millimeter टुडे बनाने के लिए हाफ डाई यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज से बिलो 12 millimeter है, we can use for heavy duty के लिए हाफ डाई यूज करना पड़ेगा. In this we can change the one die is a stationary, one die is a adjustable कर सकते हैं. This is for the type cover. Next This is adjustable screw plate die. For a die nut, this is die nut. The die nut is already thread is there. So some damage, thread is damaged or rusted. There jung lagaya. Just be cleaning the thread. We can use this type of die nut. Just क्या die nut. For example, the M10 bolt सिर्फ क्लीनिंग करना चाहिए, सफाई करने के लिए M10 डाई नेट लगा तो स्पैनर साथ घुमा के एनी डैमेज थ्रेड आल्सो डैमेज करेक्ट कर सकते और एनी rust is there is we can clean the rust, we can reuse the bolt. This is okay bhaiya, good evening all of you. Okay, bye. We will meet next session. Same fitter 3 topic is there. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye. Madam?
हाँ जी सर.
Thank you, madam. I will
Okay.
end the program. Thank you.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you, madam.